And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who are nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 case. Inside of this case is a black iPhone 15 case. Here is our iPhone 15. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Peel off protective film. Here is the back. Nice and clear, not a logo in sight. I love it. It is a black case, but it's like very frosted black, I would say. Like there's not a solid black color in my opinion. It looks dark and black in certain angles, but love it. Casekoo logo here. Cut out for your power button, cut out for your volume rocker, cut out for your charging port and speaker grill, cut out for the cameras, and a beautiful, mostly clear, but like black tinted iPhone 15 case. I love the look of this. Looks phenomenal. You also get two cool sets as well as a nice little Casekoo branded portable phone stand that's included with your Clearlock iPhone 15 case. Special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 case to unbox and show you. Inside of this box is a blue Clearlock iPhone 15 Casekoo case. Here is the Clearlock blue. Look at that. Wow. iPhone 15 case. Very nice baby blue and blue tint all the way around. Depends on the angle. It looks bright blue in some sides, but like the whole sides seem to be blue. Cut out for your power button, cut out for your volume rockers, cut out for your charging port and speaker grill, cut out for your cameras, and a completely clear back. Absolutely love that. Little Casekoo logo there, but this blue case will look magnificent on an iPhone 15. Also in the box, some stickers from Casekoo, as well as included Casekoo portable phone stand. Nice. And thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this transparent iPhone 15 Clearlock case. Inside of this package is a transparent iPhone 15 case. This is the case that I like because I love showing off my phone's design, and when you get a clear phone case like this, you can show off your phone's look. Little Casekoo branding here, nice cutout for your cameras, but completely clear back, completely clear sides, cut out for your volume, cut out for your power button, and cut out for your charging port and speakers. And in the end, a completely clear case for your iPhone 15 where you can show off that beautifully designed iPhone. Also, you get a nice Casekoo portable phone stand, use that like at your desk, and a nice set of Casekoo stickers. Thanks again to Casekoo for sending me this transparent Clearlock iPhone 15 case. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.